the movie in case, like, um, and I'm gonna paste it into the Google chat in case, like something goes wrong with the internet connection or something.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, there you go. Hopefully you have it.
Yeah, let me just open it. Just want to pause it. Yeah. Okay. So I did part 2, number 1,
Okay.
and number 2.
Okay.
Uh, I have it. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I have it just when I check the following ratings, and I have the actual name of the CSS tag or whatever, or the ID, the
All
HTML
right.
ID of the thing. I don't know if
Okay.
that's okay or not, but I think it's just a trivial change, right?
Yeah, that's fine. And then you added the step or some of that inside the movie steps.rb, right? To take your line to match this line and then to call the things that were originally inside the web steps.
Yeah, so I checked. So now, if you look at your screen and my shared screen, I just have it basically, yeah, check them if they're in that string, and then uncheck them if uncheck was selected, right? So uh, yeah, so
Yeah,
that
yeah,
does that.
yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
and I think I'm just gonna run these now. Just what is this thing called? Um, so oh, can you see my terminal that I'm on, or
Yeah.
oh, okay? Okay, so let me see if I can run these. Cucumber. Okay,
All
so
right.
everything's passing.
You got it. Yeah.
Uh, yeah, so now I don't know if what did you do? Did you just check to see that one of the proper ones exists and one doesn't exist, or did you like actually check all of them?
Yeah, I think I did like what did you do all of them? Yeah, I just did all of them. So it was like, a lot of cut and paste. I think looking at what you got. Okay, so yeah, so you checked to see two and one that's not. Though yeah, the way I did is very verbose. I just put them all.
Yeah, I mean that works. I think this
Yeah.
pretty much checks the functionality though, because I did one that I knew would fail and it actually failed. So
Mhm.
and then I put it back and it passes. So I think this is okay, but whatever. It's just a matter of putting in more lines.
Right. Yeah, it's just typing away. So I don't
So
know.
I think I guess we can move on to number 3 if you want.
Sure.
So do you want to start as the driver or
Driver.
should I?
Okay. I can drive for a little while.
All right.
Um,
So
should see to name every single movie. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, okay. Yeah.
right. Okay. Then I should see all of the movies. Then I should see all of the movies basically. Okay. Right. And then
Right.
it should just find the table in the HTML, check how many rows it has, and make it equal to what's
To
the value?
that. Well, it's like you go in, you count how many rows are supposed to be there, and then you want to check and see, like, oh yeah, do I have those? That many rows in.
Right. But
So,
can you just hard code like the number 10 into there? I guess.
well, that's what I did, but I think there's probably a better way of doing it. Okay, so I'm inside your movie steps.rb. Can
Okay.
you see me? So I just did a return.
Oh, movie steps. Sorry, let me get in there. Uh, so where
Line
is your?
47.
Oh yeah, there you are.
Yeah. So there are 10
Okay.
films. We're expecting 10, and then I went into, I guess, some of the documentation for Capybara,
Uh-huh.
and so there's a method there called assert selector,
Okay.
and you can give it either a CSS selector or an XPath. And
Right.
in this case, I'm giving it the CSS selector to look at how many to find a table row element inside a table body, and you can pass it a parameter. Um,
Like count or something? Okay, yeah,
yeah,
there you go.
as is count like how many you're expecting.
Oh, wow. So you don't even have to do the equal thing that they put in there.
Right, right, right. Probably the better way to do it here, right now on line 47, I have it coded. So I'm just putting a comment because this will probably have to go looking in. Probably better to have um, uh, like to query the database or the table and
Yeah.
find out how many rows or how many elements. Like do a count, select count from whatever the table.
I think it's just movies dot. Wouldn't it just be like, because you could use the
Yeah,
active
it's going to be
record thing, right?
right, right. It's an active record thing. So I had, if you want, we can look at the documentation for active record either now or we can do it later. But essentially, I want to do, like a select count from the table, just to get a number
Right.
of rows.
All right. Let's see if I'll look up the documentation real quick. You can just you could see if that passes, and then we can refactor it.
Okay. So this is the function for, like what I wanted to have it do when I see all movies. So I have to go back to the filter movie list dot features and I have to put in the thing
This
that,
actual stuff. Right.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So for movie steps, then I should see all the movies, or when I follow something. Oh, when I check all the, yeah, okay, I got it. Let's see. And I check the following ratings. Okay, so you gotta type it all out, huh? Ratings G.
Yeah, I should probably fix that.
Well, yeah, you could or whatever. It's like that's what refactoring's for, right?
Yep, exactly. Just
Oh,
get the thing to pass and then change it.
PG-13 ratings are ratings NC-17, and I should see. Is it all movies or all the movies?
Let me check. Hold on.
All the
It's
movies.
all space the space movie. Yeah.
See all the movies. Okay, so
All right.
I'm
Did you?
saving. I saved the filter movies list, and I'm saving the movie steps.rb.
All right.
Okay,
Uh,
going
so
over
can I run
to,
it?
yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, it's running now.
Ta-da!
Yeah, we're all good.
Yay! Okay,
Should we
you're up.
try to refactor? All
Oh,
right,
you want to do that?
I can take over. Yeah, I can
Okay.
try to refactor this. From what
Okay.
I read, oops, it's just movie.count.
Oh, really? Cool.
Well, let's see if that actually is it movie or is it movies? It should be movie.
I think it's movie. Yeah,
Yeah,
the
and I don't even think I need this all. Okay, let me save it and let me run this again.
okay. All
Yeah,
right,
it does
excellent.
it.
You got it.
So I guess we're done with number 3. That was
Yeah.
fast. So should we move on to number 4? Oh wait. Oh, okay. We already did number 4. That was nothing, right?
Um, Using new steps. Yeah. And so you're done. Yeah, you're done with part 2.
All right. Let's move on to part 3 then. This will be a pretty short video, I think,
Yeah.
since the scenarios in sort
Okay,
movie
hang on.
list.
Ooh. Okay, what's being. So I better.
What's up?
I don't know. Hang on. I'm trying to make sure what's, the correct thing is being recorded. I'll share.
Oh, we got somebody watching us.
Yeah, that's fine. Hey.
Yeah, no problem. Let me just read what this step does real quick. Test whether one movie appears before
Is that
another.
yours or mine? That's yours,
What
right?
this? Yeah.
Cool. All right. So that should be the one that's recorded now. So you
Okay.
just have to tell me what screen you're on so I can move to it so that we can see, like you typing or whatever.
Okay.
Okay. So what's the next
Um,
thing?
so I have to create a step definition that matches a step such as then I should see Aladdin before Amelie.
Oh, okay. So you're into the
So
movie steps.
yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go there now. Uh, so it's gonna be then I should see
Oh,
dot
okay. You're
star.
you're in the sort
I'm in the
sort
movie
movie
steps, right?
list.
No, I think I'm in the movie steps.rb.
Movie steps RB. Okay.
Is that the right place to put this?
There's already starter code there.
Oh, is there? Okay,
So
let me find it.
get rid of 52. It's at line 20.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I should see star before star. Basically, I think it's just page.body should match a regular expression where E1 comes E1 followed by anything
Mm-hmm.
followed by E2. But do I have to do something to what's it called? To dereference that? Or can I just put E1 and E2 in there? No, because E1 is actually going to match the character's E1, right?
E1, yeah, that's what I would think.
So how do I do this? I think there needs to be an M there. Uh, do you know how to dereference it inside the?
Well, it's gonna be, yeah. I mean, I played with it. I'm gonna type over, kind of like what you got. So, right, to dereference it, we got to put it into, like double quotes, and then,
Okay.
but then it'll make it a string. Uh, so it's like uh, a two-step thing, at least the way that I kind of like did it. First, I created because you had, so essentially what you want to do here, right, is you want to match on a regular expression,
Right.
and I was just going to put into comments here. So one, I created a string to, I guess, the reference E1 and E2. Then two, created a regex from the string. And then three was use the regex in a match
To match.
operation. Yeah, that took me a little while to figure out.
I'm trying to look up this. I'm trying to look up another way to do it,
No,
but
okay.
but I think your way is probably
Well,
fine.
that was yeah, that was one way. There might be there's probably an easier one or something like that.
I'm just trying to see on Stack Exchange real quick, but okay, I'm not finding anything immediately. So
Okay, maybe do you want me to type? I'll just type in what I got, and of course then we can yeah. That'll
well,
make it
yeah,
fast though.
I guess I should do it because I'm supposed to be driving, right, or something like that.
uh, okay.
So let me see if I could just follow your logic here. So you're saying match string, right,
Okay.
equals e1, something like this.
Kind of. So, right in
Yeah,
Ruby,
I want to
right?
dereference them, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Got it.
okay, and then you're saying create a regex. So I can't just put.
So you kind of like have to look if you want to look under the Ruby docs under the for the REGEXP class. There's a essentially yeah there's a regex dot new or new method, and if you feed it a
Okay.
string, you can create a regex from that.
All right, let me just look at it real quick. I'm loading it here.
Okay.
Um,
Oh, I should probably look and see what you got. Maybe I don't know.
I think I'm not sharing this
Oh, okay.
window or whatever.
That's okay. All right. So I won't switch.
So all right, so uh, reg. So what is it? Regex dot new
Mm-hmm.
match
Yeah.
string.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I want to tell it to match on multiple lines, right? Somehow,
Um,
or can I just do that in the
I
next?
think you can do that because the thing is supposedly just returns it as one whole string, one whole blah.
Okay, so do I just put the word reg here? Will that do it?
Well, I didn't use the page.body thingy. I looked into the Capybara doc again, and
Uh huh.
there's a method. Page dot assert underscore text.
Text, and what does it take? The regex in here.
Yeah, well, there's two. I guess the first blah blah blah. The first
Argument.
argument.
Right.
Yeah, the first argument is either the visible symbol or all symbol. So I put just visible, like so colon visible.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the your regex, yeah, your reg,
Okay.
I guess. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then that would do it.
Okay, you think that does it? All right. So now
But now you
let's
have to go fill in the sort thingy, the
yeah.
step, yeah, to use
Let,
this.
let me open it real quick.
Oh, and then your match string.
Yeah.
It's this will work, but I just wanted to make sure that there was at least a character between the two, so I put in a plus instead of a
Oh, okay.
star.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. So now for sort movie, we have when I follow movie title,
Hmm.
then what is this thing called? I should see something before something. Okay.
Yeah.
I should see uh, Amelie.
Yeah, but you have to put those in quotes.
Yeah, in quotes, don't I?
Yeah.
Amelie before the Incredibles. Okay.
Hmm.
Should we test it?
Sure.
Okay. So clear cucumber, sort movie list. And drum roll, please. Yes, looks okay.
Yeah.
When I follow, but where is this? I don't see the actual test that we just did.
Oh, really? On which one? Uh,
It's not showing up on the cucumber test. It just says when I follow movie title.
uh-huh. Oh,
That's weird.
that is the
Oh,
test,
did
huh?
I? Maybe I didn't save it. You know?
Oh, oh, yeah. So it wasn't
Maybe.
implemented. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I think the movie
Let's see if this really
steps.rb
works.
wasn't saved.
Okay, here we go. Let's try it again. That was anticlimactic. I'm used to using Vim, you know, so I'm trying to use this editor that they include with Cloud9. It's a bit. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it works now.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
I don't know if that's. I mean, the thing is, that could have been the default sorting anyway, you know, so it doesn't really test it that well. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I mean, I typed a whole bunch, so I don't know whether. Oh, let me just. I can cut and paste, huh?
Yeah, you can. Or you know what? I think it inserts them in this order under the given test, right?
Under the given test?
You
Oh,
see
oh, but
the
then
given the following.
yeah, but then you have to kind of like.
So Amelie appears. So I don't know if it's in the database in this order. Uh,
Oh,
so what I could do, I could just change this to chicken run. Oops.
oh, to try and make it fail or something like that.
No, just because chicken run should come before the Incredibles, right?
Yeah.
But in the given step here, it's coming after. So this will actually be a real test.
Oh, oh, oh. But the thing
You
is,
see what I'm saying?
you've already supposedly sorted. Okay, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right.
You're just saying you don't know how it was actually displayed or whatever.
I want to test if the sorting works.
Okay.
Uh, when I follow. Yeah, I mean, it might not be necessary, but I mean, all these tests could be more robust, I guess, but this is fine.
Yeah. Yep. You got it.
All right, we're good.
Yeah.
And now I guess there's one more thing.
It's just to do the sort by release date.
Right. And that's basically then I should see.
Yeah, but
Uh,
you have to go. You have to kind of like go take a. Well, um, you have to
see
look
how
and
it's
see what.
displayed, right?
Yeah, so you have to see how it's being displayed, what format.
All right. Let
Um,
me run the app.
okay.
Uh,
Yeah, because it comes out as like year dash month dash day.
oh, okay. Well, just for the video, I guess I could just run it so people can see. I don't know.
Oh, I don't know because I can't see.
You can't see what I'm doing right now?
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. I just saw you're starting the thing.
Yeah, the Rails server. Okay, let me check
Okay,
it.
let me hang on. I'll turn it on this way. Ta-da!
Oh, so I guess I could just this part I could just copy, right? Just the year dash month dash day should be
Day.
enough.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, so I should see this before anything that comes after 92. Alright, so ready to run
Okay.
again?
All right.
I could just stop the server.
Uh-huh.
Hmm, Cucumber. Yeah, looks good.
Yay! Applause.
Yeah, this was a pretty. This homework was pretty easy compared to the other ones, I think.
Well, yeah, I think once you find out, because it relatively few steps or few things to do.
Yeah.
Um, so I wonder if we're going to get docked points for not having enough changes or something.
Well, I hope not. If you're grading this video, please be kind.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't know. Do what else can we do? I mean,
I don't know because that's it, isn't it? Oh,
yeah.
okay. Well, so then it's like go to. Okay, well, where am I? Okay, we're in the main directory, right? If you just want to see them all pass,
Oh, right.
yay! Come on, go! Yay!
All right.
That's what
Yeah,
I
I mean, I'm
do.
okay with this. If I guess if you wanna, I don't know, pair with someone else again to make a full video. I don't know. It's up to you.
Um, it would just go the same way because you only um there wasn't much beforehand, right? It was just
The
do the
given.
thing for the movies to movies create, and
Yeah, it's just one line of
then
code.
yeah, and then have the thing be able to take kind of like a list of stuff and call one of the other the things in web steps repeatedly. So I think that that wouldn't take very much longer.
Yeah, I know. So I'm okay with just submitting this video.
Yeah, I'm all right with that, I guess.
All right. Do you want to
Just
stop the broadcast?
I don't know. Do you want to ask Tony? Are you still there, or no? I wonder if he's.
Yes, I'm here. Appreciate you guys let me watch you. I joined the class 2 weeks late, so trying to do quite a bit of catching up.
Oh, okay. It's
Hmm.
Yeah. I think the only thing is probably trying to get in with somebody in a pairing session. That seems to be about it. Um,
But I have several no shows, even trying to join other people's sessions. So kind of
You
get
know,
over.
do you know the Gitter chat? Have you entered the Gitter chat?
I think so. I started to use that. As a matter of fact, it's in the chat session. You can see people who actually are starting session, but
yeah.
by that time people have their own partner. So do you two know each other before, or is this purely random?
Uh,
Random so far.
yeah,
Okay,
I mean, what you can do is you can just go into the chat and ask, is anybody available now? And then if somebody answers you, then you can create a link for them.
okay. Do you already work on the exercise on your own before you come into the session? It sounds like you already have the solution and you just work through the exercise, not trying to work the
Yeah,
exercise and solve the
that's
problem.
yeah. I think that's. I guess for me, I guess that would be a knock against me. I've pretty much kind of like looked at it and tried it out before I've come into here. Um, most of the time, though, even though after having it worked out, um, we'll usually do it the back and forth, the ping pong style, I guess that they say. We'll um,
Switching the roles, right?
yeah, kind of like work on one test or one feature, and then pass it over. Um,
Yeah, I don't necessarily code it before unless if I can't find anybody to do the pair programming with, then I'll just start it a little bit on my own, which is what happened here. But otherwise, I'll just go in, read through it, and see if I at least get an idea of how to do it
Okay. Yeah,
uh,
the question
before
is,
the before I pair.
how do you submit your time? Because obviously you bounce back and forth. When you submit, do you say my time started at 5:06 and also started at 15:08 and something like that on your video? Or how do you tell the listener? I mean, I can see the grader watching the whole things for hours. Do that.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you just include you just say roll switches occurred at, yeah,
Yeah,
508,
something. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
1237. That should be okay.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing with mine. It's just, yeah, it's switched at these times. But that means that I usually go back and then I watch the whole video and kind of like try to write down the times when they kind of like switched.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Now, U2 only belong to one person's U2, though. Do you both can submit the U2 link?
Yeah, we both submit the same
Yeah,
link,
yeah.
I guess. Yeah.
Okay, all right. All right, that makes sense then. Because I'm just catching on with the homework two so far, so I'm quite a little bit behind. Um,
There seem to be quite a few people I think that are like you and that they haven't, they've just kind of like started late. So I've seen some people even doing homework one or trying to find partners to pair with them for that.
I found this very enjoyable. Are you all aiming for certificate? If I may ask, my question is, when the class is over, that means the class is closed, or can I still work on the exercise? Or does it matter?
I think it's archived, and I think you can still work on it. I personally am probably not going to get the certificate, just because I don't really know if it makes a difference. But yeah, the material should be archived on the edX website, and I think you should be able to access it afterwards.
But after that, they don't expect you to do the pair programming anymore. Is that it? Just study it,
Oh
or
yeah, I'm not sure how that works, to be honest.
okay? Yeah, that was my
Some
question.
some workplaces, I guess, they have it or something like that. So it it is kind of enjoyable, and it helps to that you have right more than one person that kind of like knows what the code is about.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure working on that.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I probably should stop the recording, huh?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay,
whoever's
hang on.
watching this is gonna.
Yeah, I was going, what the heck?